Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover the help options for Titan. To access this, go to www.formtitan.com, log in, and then go to the Help tab on the menu. Here you will see listed several options. First is Titan's Support Center. This is a place where you can find documentation on Titan's products, white papers, articles, etc. So just come into here, search for your topic, and go from there. You will also see in the help options Titan Academy. Titan Academy is a free series of online courses on Titan and its products. You will need to create an account. There is no charge, but just come here to find videos and courses on Titan Docs, Titan Sign, Titan Web, and other Titan products. Finally, there's the Titan 101 link. This links to Titan's account on YouTube, where you can find various videos and playlists on how to do all kinds of good things within Titan. So just come here, watch some of the suggested playlists, search within the videos, and you can get help on just about anything that you can do with Titan right here. Remember, this is the place only to find self-supported help. It is not where you would go to open a case. If you need to open a case with support, that is done in My Account, My Cases. But the help menu will provide you many good places to go find things about Titan on your own. And that is how it's done.